My name is Miguel from mobilemechanic 757, and just to give you a quick tip, I was working on a Nissan and it had a wheel lock on it. I could not get it off, so I'm just going to screw it back on. And what I did is I took a 19 millimeter socket and I hammered it onto the wheel lock. The wheel lock looks like this. I'm gonna come to the other side. It was working on all the wheel locks except this one. This was the wheel lock right here. I took the 19 millimeter and I went on top of it and I hammered it as much as I could. And once they become as one, you come over, you take your ratchet, and then you ratchet it off like you would normally. The only problem is you're never going to get this socket back again. These two are going to become as one, so you just might as well go to Amazon or whatever and get yourself another one. The customer went to the store, he bought a new lock set, and now all I'm going to do is put a brand new lock set on the very front. Since I did not have the key to it, I took another socket, and the other one that will work is a 3/4, and I did the same principle. As you can see, it's out. These two are as one, so I'm going to put the new lock sets on these two, and they can go to the tires place and get the other two off, because I use two sockets and I don't have any more sockets to pull the rest of them off. But I've already done that side, so I don't have to worry about it. If you like this videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.